My name is Leo Pascua, and I go to Wahiawa United Methodist Church here on the island of Oahu. And this dish is what we call Aglio Olio in my family. And the star of this is garlic. My family loves garlic. Every time I make it, they said, more, more, more. And so we did. The original recipe calls for 1 clove of garlic. We're probably up to 30 by now. And the more we eat this dish, the more garlic that ends up getting put in there. In here now, an enormous amount of garlic. Don't want the garlic to burn. So now that you have this enough, you're going to add on enough olive oil to make it, as my kids say, to make it swim a bit. The garlic should be cooked low and slow. Careful not to let it burn. When it's like this, I don't want it to overcook anymore. I would take it off the heat. And when you turn off the heat, it's still cooking. When it says take it off the heat, you have to take it off. Okay. I'm going to drain the pasta, but now I'm warming up this bowl. Okay. Pasta is there now in a heated mixing bowl. And all of the sauce will go in. You can see the garlic has been browned, but not burnt. Parmesan. Parmesan. And that is Aglio Olio.